Google has just announced an important OTA update for all smart screens. At the end of the month, the update will introduce some very requested changes, such as the grouping of audio in several rooms, as well as the functions that are shown in the recent event made by Google. That includes the management of smart home view devices, some drip functionality on digital wellness, the integration of the stricter Next Hello bell, and new/improved control for devices that include televisions, set-top boxes, speakers, and smart remotes, including Logitech Harmony. A Google spokesperson previously confirmed in our JBL Link View review that multi-room support for smart screens and grouped speakers should land at some point, allowing you to place smart screens in groups that include other speakers with no screen wizards. Other features, such as greater integration of smart home devices through the Nest Hello doorbell and Home View, conform to what was shown at the Google event. We entered a series of vignettes of an apartment that demonstrated the different way to use these upcoming features, including the Home View. The Nest Hello doorbell integration will allow your smart screen to display a signal from the camera when someone is at your door, with options to send quick responses. The Home View adds a sliding down panel to control all gadgets for the smart home.